Faulty backlight. If the backlight is faulty, it may cause the red light to blink 6 times. This can happen if the backlight has burnt out or is defective. Faulty backlight driver. The backlight driver is responsible for controlling the backlight's intensity. If it is defective, it may cause the backlight to malfunction and trigger the red light to blink 6 times. Power surge. A power surge can damage the TV's internal components, including the backlight and backlight driver, and cause the red light to blink 6 times. Overheating. Overheating is another common cause of the red light blinking 6 times. If the TV's internal components overheat, it may trigger the red light to blink as a warning. Loose connection. A loose or faulty connection between the TV's components can cause the red light to blink 6 times. This can happen if the TV has been dropped or if it has been subject to physical damage. Power cycle your TV. Unplug the TV from the wall. Wait 5 minutes. Plug your TV back into the wall. Turn it on to confirm if the problem is resolved. Check the power supply. The power cable on your TV is in a good condition and also connected tightly to its port. If not, unplug the cable and reconnect it properly. In case of a damaged cable, it's important you get a replacement cable, as this will help to prevent any short circuit of the power supply, which can damage the backlight inverter boards. Power reset your TV. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. This will drain any remaining power from the TV and reset the internal components. Plug your TV back into the outlet. Turn on your TV. It should work properly. Hard reset your Sony TV. Step 1. Locate the power and volume down buttons. To factory reset your Sony TV without a remote, you'll need to use the physical buttons, the power and volume down buttons on the back of your Sony TV. If your Sony TV model only has one button, the power button, you can follow the same steps. Step 2. Unplug your TV and hold the physical buttons. Next, unplug your TV from the wall outlet to completely power it off. This will also ensure that the TV isn't getting any power supply. After that, press and hold down both the power and volume down buttons at the same time. If your TV only has a power button, follow the same steps by holding the button. Step 3. Plug your TV back in. While still holding down the buttons, plug your TV back into the wall outlet. Continue to hold down the buttons until you see the Sony logo appear on your TV screen. Step 4. Release the buttons. Release the buttons once you see the Sony logo, and wait for the reset process to complete.